Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to talk about if it is possible to get the Roblox Administrator Badge. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So let's go to roblox.com and go to badges. So here, as you can see, there are different kinds of badges and there are a lot of them. But the badge that we are interested for this video is Administrator Badge. Now, this badge identifies an account as belonging to a Roblox administrator. Only official Roblox administrator will possess this badge. Now, how can you get this badge, or is it possible to get this badge? So here in Roblox Help, we have here a question, can I get an administrator badge? So Roblox said here that administrator badges are given out to people who work for Roblox to make them easily identifiable to the community. And also, administrators and moderators are all adults over the age of 18 who work at Roblox as a paying job. So also, furthermore, here it says that if someone tells you they are admin or mod but they don't have the badge, you can report them in Roblox right away. So as of today, the only way to get a Roblox Administrator Badge is if you are working in Roblox. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.